What's up, you guys? Zoe here from OneGlanceTrader.com, and I'm really excited because today marks an epic milestone of the OGT YouTube channel, and I'm launching my first ever YouTube membership program called the OGT Options Coaching Group. Now, for those of you who've been around and watched my channel for a while, you guys will know that I started my trading career in Forex, and I provide so much value on this channel with MT4 indicators and EAs, trading view indicators, as well as my Forex trading strategies. And while I continue to trade Forex, I've been learning on the side since the start of 2021 options trading, and in particular selling options. And you guys will notice that I've been releasing more and more content around options trading as well. And the reason why I've done that is because for the first ever month, so for last month, I actually made more money trading options than I did in Forex trading. And this has allowed me now to share that with the community, because at the end of the day, whether it's Forex trading or options trading, the net goal is to make money. And that's what I try to do, is provide as much value in terms of how I'm making money, and then showcasing that to you guys. And options trading is a little bit more complicated, or the perception is a bit more complicated, but the fact that I'm making good money, and the key most important point is that I'm probably spending 80% less time at the charts analyzing, placing trades, doing options trading than I do Forex trading. Now, don't get me wrong, I still do Forex trading, and I've got it to a place now where I'm spending minimal time at the charts. But what the bit I find really interesting, and when I see your guys' questions, when I see the stuff you guys are commenting around about making money, don't have time to spend at the charts all day, options trading, in my opinion, is a better route for most people to kind of go down. And you guys will know that buying options is not what I look at, even though I've started looking at that side of that area. But I predominantly sell options, which in my view is a less riskier way to make money and to make passive income with minimal amount of work, which is why I've created the options coaching group, and not a Forex coaching group, is because um, Forex takes a lot more time and intensive technical analysis to go through, which I've got all that content on this channel, and I will continue to post on this channel Forex content, my Forex trades, and all that kind of good stuff. But options trading allows me to get a bit more personal, a bit more one-to-one, one-to-many coaching environment, because it's less time intensive for me to kind of put that effort in there to learn the concept of options trading. So that's the reason why I've created this group. And like I said, I'm making more money today than I am doing Forex trading. And for me, I think it's an easier route, or less barriers of entry for people to take part in. And if you guys are interested in the options coaching group, you can hit the join now button below this video, or click the first link inside the description to learn more about this program. But just to give you a view on what we're going to be going through as part of this program, first and foremost, it's about getting more access to me on a live and a more regular basis. And what I'll be going through is learning more in depth about how to trade options, because again, I'm talking to a camera and I'm responding to your comments, but in a live motion of me talking about my current trades, breaking down what trades I'm going into, you guys can ask questions directly to me, and I can provide those answers to you at a more consistent and regular basis. So we're going to break down all my open trades. Like I said, I'm quite transparent on this channel. I show you guys what I'm trading, my trading accounts, and all that kind of good stuff. So what I'll be doing is taking you behind the scenes, showing you what my open positions are. And again, in the last video I talked about charge point, where I'm down quite a bit of money on an unrealized loss perspective, but how I'm making that weekly income continually selling calls or selling options on that particular position. I will also notify you guys with new trades, whether that's in the private Discord group that I've now created, or through the community tab on YouTube. And again, what I want to do is show you guys how much money I'm making on a weekly basis trading options. So I'll be, spreadsheeting everything, and we'll be going into that, talking about these particular trades, particular positions, so you guys can see how much weekly income I'm currently making trading options. And I know as well, when you sell options, sometimes you do need some capital, and I'm not going to lie to you, the more capital you have, the more money you make. But I have also created an account where I have got a small amount of money which I am depositing every single month. But I'll also be showing you that account as well in terms of what I'm trading, how I'm trading it. So if you don't have, thousands and thousands of dollars to spend and you've got a few hundred to $1,000 to invest, then how I would approach that with the small account mindset. So, we'll have my main account and a small account as well for those who don't have that much money to put into this. One of the key things is that I do is, like I said, I sell options and I collect the premium. So the premium I get from the option buyers to take on that kind of additional risk. And one of the biggest questions I get is, what are the stocks with the highest premium? What are the scanners that are out there? And there's so many scanners and various things to go search for these stocks. And I will go through those with you. Again, I've got premium access to bar chart. So those of you who are in my group that don't have access to that, we can create our very own kind of scanners through my account. And then I can showcase those with you guys on a weekly basis. The other thing is as well is, as you guys learn about options trading and start placing your own trades, you can come speak to me again. I'm not a financial expert or anything like that, but I can give you what my view would be on a particular symbol, on a trade you're currently in, or on a trade you are thinking of going into if you want me to analyze the charts as well. So again, this is more one-to-one, one-to-many kind of communication and live access to me to discuss your questions around, open trades. And I think when you see my trades and the positions I'm in some really bad losers at the, well, perceived losers at the moment, but you will then understand, that I'm down 30% on a stock, but how I can still make money on a continued basis while holding a loser. And that is the key thing here about those types of things. I do as much as I can to articulate in my videos, but getting that access to me to have those types of conversations, again, I think is worth its weight in gold. And like I said, the key thing is to build a community. I don't know how big or small this community will get into. For me, it's not about the kind of numbers, and from that perspective, it's providing that value exchange, that if you have a question or a concern or something about my own current positions that you want answering, that for me to answer that question, for me, gives me the value, whether it's on a one-to-one or a one-to-many basis. That is what I'm looking to provide. And as you can see here, we're going to have a private Discord group. So if you've got questions on there, and I can text-based first, I can go in there and answer them, or members in the community can give their views and thoughts and opinions on things as well as this community grows. Secondly, we've got live streaming, whether that's going to be through YouTube or Google Hangout or Zoom. I'm fairly relaxed by it. At the end of the day, my view is to get that content across, and we'll see what works best as time goes on as part of that process. So again, I'm not sure how big this is going to get at the moment. My plan is to have a one weekly live stream, Zoom call, Google Hangout, whatever it may be, to go through kind of all these kind of points, for an hour or so. And again, as this gets bigger, as I learn more about what you guys want to see, we can adapt this into how we want to do it. So that's the plan. I'm really excited about launching this. And again, first link down below if you guys are interested as well. Got the playlist as well for those who are brand new to options and want to understand a bit more about my trading style. And my Riot Wheel strategy playlist as well will also be down there. That goes through the whole process of what I do. It's pretty much end to end in terms of what I do. And if you want to learn more about it, jump into the coaching group, and you'll learn everything about it as well. And every live stream we'll do again is recorded and will be available again for members to review back as well. So I really hope that I'd like to see you inside that coaching group. If not, that's fine. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and when you're ready, or if it's something you're interested in, hopefully we can see you inside the coaching group. And I shall see you guys in the next video.